Alright, this is Lil Twist, YUI, doing his first single. Alright, when you ready.
What the fuck? Gotta restart that shit a little bit.
Can we have your attention, please? Can we have your attention, please?
East Coast.
Put one of those fingers on each hand up.
Understand, man, that I always got a plan. Can't catch me like I'm the gingerbread man, cause I'm beating down this punk like I'm beating up the beat. Beat this motherfucking kid, leave him crippled in the street. And I'll kick him in the bare face with my Chuck T's. Having your girl begging for another fuck, please. I guess that's the reason you'd never trust me. Yeah, I guess that's it, it really must be. Cause the only other thing that I could really see is, dude, you're just straight jealous of me. And I really think it's kinda funny how you hate me, cause you found my jeans up in her backseat. Notice how I'm just a little bit calmer, but up in my head I'm still thinking like I'm Dahmer. Got the sick twisted mind of a fucking killer. Sick twisted visions of you hanging from a pillar. Digging up this dirt, bitch, it's gonna be your grave. Cause I guess you were never taught how to behave. And I'm real sick and tired of all this fucking pain. It's insane how I'm back in the same chapter again. It's sad but it's true, when I'm kissing over her I can only think of you. So what am I to do? Set penny whip a Jew and spit till I'm blue on how much I hate you. And if you ever show up in my goddamn place, get laced, get maced, be prepared to get raped by a fucking AK. What can I say? I don't play. I hope you get dumped like a fucking ashtray.
Yeah.